In this video, we're deploying a B2B Lead Follow-up AI agent that automatically sends reminder emails to prospects based on your tracking data. Perfect for sales teams managing multiple leads across different pipelines and stages. Let's head to the template library to find this agent. Searching for the B2B Lead Follow-up agent. One click deploys the entire workflow to your account. Here's the workflow editor showing all 18 steps. I'll walk through how each one works to keep your leads engaged. The AI assistant is available anytime. You can ask questions about configuring your workflow, and it'll guide you through the setup. Watch the B2B Lead Follow-up AI agent in action. Setup notes guide you through every step. This manual trigger node starts the B2B Lead Follow-up workflow whenever you click Execute, allowing you to test the automation or manually initiate outreach for specific leads. This node imports your lead list directly from a Google Sheet by parsing the URL you provide, making all rows available for the AI agent to process downstream. This node loops through each lead from the previous step, iterating up to 100 times to process the entire batch sequentially before moving to the next workflow action. This node executes custom JavaScript to transform the current lead record from array format into an object, mapping each data point against the CSV column headers so downstream steps can access lead information by field name. This node checks whether the lead requires a reminder by evaluating the needs reminder Boolean flag and routes the workflow accordingly based on that condition. This node uses GPT-4o to generate a personalized reminder email body based on the client's initial form submission, returning both the recipient email address and formatted email content structured as JSON. This node searches your Gmail sent folder for the original thread by querying messages sent to the prospect with the subject, following up your interest, returning only the most recent result. This node extracts the message ID from the previous search results using JavaScript, then returns the message details or an error if no messages were found. This node sends a reply to the original email thread using the Gmail integration, with the AI-generated response body and reply all disabled to keep responses one-to-one. This node searches your Google Sheet for an existing lead record by looking up the email address from the previous step, using exact matching to ensure we find the correct row before proceeding with follow-up actions. This node marks the reminder as processed by updating column K to yes in your Google Sheet, using the row number from the lead data matched earlier in the workflow. This node writes the message ID back to column L of your Google Sheet, updating the reminder record with the specific message identifier for tracking purposes. This node updates column I in your Google Sheet with reminder 1 sent for the current row, automatically marking which leads have received their first follow-up reminder. This node halts the workflow for leads that don't require follow-up, those who've already replied, received previous outreach, or haven't waited the minimum 5-day interval since introduction. This platform connects to over 1,000 apps. You could sync leads directly from Salesforce, post reminders to Slack, or add custom webhooks. That's the complete setup. Deploy it from templates and start automating your follow-ups today.